Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear breakfast lovers and cooking enthusiasts tuning in. A quick and satisfying breakfast starts with the right ingredient measurements. That's where the Cornflakes with Milk recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Cornflakes with milk is one of the world's most popular breakfast meals, known for its crispy texture, balanced nutrition, and quick preparation. Made with crispy cornflakes and milk, this simple no-cook recipe is both convenient and satisfying for busy mornings. Taking only a few minutes to prepare, it's an ideal breakfast for busy mornings while providing energy, calcium, carbohydrates, and protein. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient with the correct measurements for your serving size. There's no need for manual calculations, making it easy to serve the right quantity for yourself, your family, or a larger group. The page also provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, total time, course, diet type, difficulty level, calories, and the no-cook method. You'll also find helpful cooking notes, famous info highlights, and an estimated nutrition summary with calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Personalize your breakfast with optional add-ons like sugar or honey, banana, mixed nuts, or raisins to match your taste and preferences. Below the calculator, you'll find the updated ingredient list based on the number of persons you selected. Right beside it, the complete preparation steps guide you through every stage, from mixing to serving. Copy ingredients lets you save the ingredient list, while print provides a neatly formatted recipe whenever you need it. Once your ingredients are ready, take a clean serving bowl and add the required quantity of crispy cornflakes. Pour cold or warm milk over the cornflakes, then add sugar or honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. Add banana slices, mixed nuts, or raisins if you are using them, then mix everything gently with a spoon. Serve immediately after adding the milk to keep the cornflakes crisp, as recommended in the cooking notes. This budget-friendly breakfast is enjoyed around the world, while milk adds calcium and protein to every serving. Optional fruits and nuts add extra flavor, texture, and variety to every ball. Accurate ingredient measurements help you prepare a delicious ball of cornflakes with milk confidently every time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.